Vinyl flooring has come a long way in recent years. It's durable, water-resistant, and comes in designs so realistic you'll swear you're walking on hardwood or stone. But not all vinyl flooring is created equal. Here are my top picks for 2024 based on durability, style, and value. 1. Shaw Floors. Shaw Floors is a household name in flooring for a reason. Their Forte Pro line is one of their standout offerings, known for outstanding durability and waterproof technology. Perfect for high-traffic areas and homes with pets, Shaw flooring is built to last. Average price. Shaw vinyl flooring typically costs between $3.50 and $6.50 per square foot, depending on the product line and thickness. Shaw also offers an extensive range of styles, from classic oak to trendy weathered finishes, ensuring there's something for every taste. 2. COREtec. If luxury is what you're after, COREtec is your go-to brand. Their vinyl planks are thicker than most competitors, offering excellent sound insulation and a more comfortable feel underfoot. COREtec's patented WPC, wood plastic composite core structure, makes their flooring 100% waterproof, so you can install it anywhere in your home without worry. Average price. COREtec products range from $4 to $8 per square foot for their standard lines, while their premium collections can go up to $10 per square foot. COREtec also shines in style, with ultra-realistic wood and stone looks, perfect for high-end home designs. 3. Armstrong Flooring. Armstrong has been a leader in the flooring industry for decades, and their Luxe Plank series is a favorite among homeowners on a budget. Armstrong products are known for being easy to install, thanks to their peel and stick or click lock systems. Despite their affordability, they don't skimp on durability or water resistance. Average price. Armstrong vinyl flooring starts as low as $2.50 per square foot and goes up to $5 per square foot, making it one of the most budget-friendly options on this list. Armstrong also offers a wide variety of patterns and colors, so you're sure to find something that suits your aesthetic. 4. Mohawk Flooring. Mohawk is all about innovation and durability. Their SolidTech line features advanced technology that makes the flooring scratch-resistant, dent-resistant, and waterproof. This makes it an excellent choice for homes with kids, pets, or heavy foot traffic. Average price. Mohawk vinyl flooring typically costs $3 to $7.50 per square foot, offering a great balance between affordability and premium features. Their wood-look designs are especially popular, seamlessly blending functionality and aesthetics for both modern and rustic interiors. Coming in at number 5 on our list is MSI Flooring. Known for its stunning designs and exceptional durability, MSI offers a wide variety of luxury vinyl plank options to fit any style or budget. Whether you're going for a sleek, modern look or a cozy, rustic vibe, MSI has you covered with realistic wood and stone finishes. What sets MSI apart is its 100% waterproof construction, making it an excellent choice for high moisture areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Plus, the rigid core technology provides enhanced stability and makes installation a breeze, even for DIYers. As for pricing, MSI Flooring is quite competitive. Most of their LVP options range between $2.50 to $4.50 per square foot, offering great value for a premium product. Before we wrap up, here are 3 quick tips for choosing the right vinyl flooring. 1. Check the wear layer. Look for a wear layer of at least 12 mils for residential spaces or 20 plus mils for high traffic areas. 2. Consider the installation method. Click lock systems are great for DIY, while glue down is ideal for stability in larger spaces. 3. Order samples. Seeing and feeling the material in your home makes a huge difference. If you loved any of the brands we talked about, you can get them at wholesale prices, shipped anywhere in the US by visiting arcoflooring.com. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more flooring tips and how-tos.